Hey everybody, just want to take a second and show you how to add a image or a GIF or something like that into a Canvas page through the rich content editor. All right, so I'm in my sandbox here and I'm just going to edit this page. This is just the front page of my course, but it would work the same way with a page or assignment, any place where there's this rich content editor. So I'm just going to delete that picture there, and so we have some space to work. So the first thing is I might have an image that I already want. So often teachers or whoever will go searching for pictures. So imagine I'm looking for a picture of a tiger, right? Now, one tip might be to click under Tools under the Google search and look for something that's large, maybe. Depends on your needs and what you're looking for. I also consider the size of my page. So I know that my page is, it usually looks best with a picture that's wide, right? So this picture here might look good. So if I click on that, right, I can see the picture here, right? I can see the dimensions. All right, it looks pretty good. So to actually download this picture, I would hit right click, or if you're on without a mouse, you would do a 2-finger tap, but you need to get this tool open here, and then you would be looking to save the image. So save image as, right, something like that, or save download, right? So I want to download this picture, right, to downloads. So that picture is downloaded now. Other things to consider as well, I like the way that pictures look with a white background, right? So tiger, white background, that might pop really nice actually off of my Canvas page, because my Canvas is a white background. Now I also want to be mindful of purchased pictures, right? So this one, you can see this is for purchase, and so it's got the watermarks over the top. I don't want to put that in my Canvas unless I'm buying it, right? But this one looks like it's free. There's no watermarks. So that might be a picture that I want to add, right? It could be anything, right? Here's another one, right? So I'm going to right click and I'm going to save image as, and I'm going to save that downloads. Save. Okay. So other things I might want to add is a GIF, right? So Giphy is an awesome place to go. So I don't know, I'm going to go for tigers, right? So obviously these are like, they're pictures, right, that are patched together and run. Now I could pick any of these traditional pictures. So just for fun, right, I'm going to click on this one, same thing, right click, and then save image as, right, download that thing. All right, so I could use that. The other fun thing in here are Giphy stickers, actually. So see, these are actually really fun as well, right? So let's say I like this one. So I'm going to download this, save image as, download that. So I got 4 pictures now to work from, and I could see what works in here. So right now I'm going to then insert this picture. So I want to go to the picture icon here, right? Upload image. So here it says upload image. Now, if I wanted to go a different route, I could go through Unsplash, then search tigers, find an image, right, and then embed it. So I'd be like, oh, this one is actually really interesting. I click that, submit, and it'll put it right in there. So that's an option, right? Now here though, I'm going to upload those pictures that I found. Upload image. I really like that white background one, right? So I'm going to do that. So I click on that and open. Okay, that's what it looks like. Now I want to click that it's a decorative image, right? That there's not really anything else that I'm doing with this. It's just for decoration. All right, so it's going to process and the picture is going to show up here in a second, right? Now, obviously I might want to resize that. So I click on it and I drag in the corner, right, to whatever I want it to look like, whatever size. Now, another thing to consider too is that I can align this so that the text wraps around too. So I want to align this to the right. So while this is highlighted, I'm clicking on the paragraph tool here, and you can see I want to align to the right, right? So I'll move that guy over. See? So now if I want to, delete this empty space of this text, there you go. So I got this cool, tiger looking picture on my page here. All right, so I'm going to delete these just to make some space. All right, now I also want to add that really cool GIF picture, right? I'm going to do the, so I'm going to upload an image, same way I did before, upload image. I'm going to find that, that GIF sticker, right? So here it is. That was what that was right there. So choose. That's what's going to look like on my page. So decorative image, submit, right? And so you can see here that there we go, right? And so again, I can move this, I can manipulate it around, right? Move it into my text in different ways, things like that. So those are some tools. Now, just a reminder, image is such an important thing. It's not just makes it look good, but images actually target visual senses, right? And so it can be another way in which students access the material, right? So maybe the image of something you're teaching might actually support it, or even having something lighthearted, something funny, something interesting could really help a student process the material or stay focused or find something kind of fascinating, right? So all of those are good reasons to do that. Now, if you're using Chrome, there actually is a really cool extension for Giphy, right? And so to get extensions, you would actually just go, you can just type Google in, so Chrome extensions, and it'll bring you to the extension store, right? And this is where you can find different extensions to add into your Google Chrome. So if you're using that, this gets a little bit easier even. So say for Giphy, right, is the tool right here. I click open this, and it's going to actually pop out a an interesting thing here. So I'm gonna do tigers again, right? That's what I'm interested in here for my assignment. And again, same thing. You notice, but I can hit sticker, right? Here it is. So I like this one. So what's nice about this feature is I can grab this sticker and pull it right into my canvas. There it is. Now it'll work as long as I'm in the edit mode, right? Now, if you want to, give the rights here, you can. Obviously, you could delete that as well, but pretty cool. Now, this tool also works on Google Docs. It works on slides, works on all that stuff. So as long as you're in edit mode on something on the web like that, it will work, okay? Those of you who are way into the Bitmoji stuff, right, there's an extension for that as well, right? So I think that I can pull this in as well. Boom, there you go. So you people who love that Bitmoji stuff to spruce up your pages, that is how you do it. And so I'm gonna hit save, and my page is so cool now. Now, obviously, have fun with that. This is obviously lighthearted, but it actually can be pretty powerful for students. So I did this in a recent assignment. So I'm going to look for that real quick, where I tell students about something that's important for them to remember. So let me find the assignment here. So my One World issue research topic. So you'll notice right here, this is a lighthearted way, but I put in this Giphy sticker as indicating something that I think is as extra important. And if the red font didn't target it already, right, this little GIF here certainly is saying how important this thing is. So obviously it can be used in that kind of way, or it can be used to deal with different learning modes and senses and things like that. So I hope you found this video helpful and that you got something out of it. Happy building and creating.